I'm going to show you how to do that too. Okay. And then after I show you how to do that, I will come around and help anybody who's still a little bit on the struggle bus. Okay. All right. So once you write the program, what you'll notice is that you got your code window here and you got your results. Over here, you can see the file that you made. That lives somewhere on your disk. And that's what you turn in to me in Canvas. So first thing you want to do is get to your class in Canvas. And you're going to go to Module 1. And by the way, this is not complex. So if you're not with me, you might want to just watch, and then you'll understand later. You go to Module 1, all the way down at the bottom. There's Assignment 1, A1, Hello World. You're literally getting 10 points for this right now as we speak. So you're already 1/18 of the way to 100% in the class. Congratulations. So I'm going to change my view to student view because right now I'm seeing the teacher view. Okay, so this is more like what you should see. Up at the top, you see a button that says Start Assignment. When I click that, I'm going to go down. It scrolls me down to the bottom. And here's a place for me to drag that file, right? So now all I have to do is find the file that I want to submit. So if I go here to PyCharm, and I right-click that will file, the a1.py, in my list of files. I'm going to go down to Open In. There's a choice in this menu called Open In. And on my computer, because it's a Mac, it says Finder. What it should say on yours is like Explorer or Windows Explorer or whatever it is, whatever it's called this week by Microsoft. So you want to open it in your Explorer. What it will do is open up a file window like this that has that file, the a1.py, highlighted in it. So now, if I go back to Canvas and I bring up that window, man, I'll look at all those windows all over the place. All right, so if I open up this window, all I have to do is take this file and drag it straight over to here so that it says a1.py right here in my box. And then I hit Submit Assignment. And if I do it right, after waiting a couple seconds, I get what's the butterflies about? I've never seen those. You guys see that? I've seen the confetti, but I've never seen butterflies before.
It's not just butterflies, it's a bunch of other random things. They've got
What? I've only ever noticed the butterfly. Anyway, you see the confetti and other assorted crap falling from the ceiling. You know you did it right. If you're stressed about it, you can see right here it says submitted and it says what you submitted. Now, I will have students, I think I mentioned my wife earlier, who are like a little bit extra and who submit things and then stress about them. If that's you and you download that file and you come back here and you say, oh, I want to make sure that was the right file or make sure that it runs properly. So you double click it. Did you see that run? Actually, hang on a second. Let me quit this, exit. So I want to run this. If you run this on your computer, it will appear to do nothing. And the reason it will appear to do nothing is because it's going to run, it's going to say hello world, and it's going to shut it down.